Let's try another example of solving exponential equations. Remember, our strategy is we are going to rewrite the equation with matching bases. And anytime we have the number 1, that's easy. Match the base and raise it to the power of 0, because that is the same as 1. You're just rewriting it with the base that you choose. Once you do that, you may disregard the bases and focus on the sentence, the equation 2x plus 1 equals 0, and solve. And that will give us our answer. So this is a basic two-step equation. I'm going to subtract 1 from both sides, running out of space here. So I'm going to bring it up. That leaves me with 2x equals -1. So I'm just going to rewrite that. And trying to get x all by itself, I'm going to divide by 2. What I do to one side, I must do to the other. So I have my answer, x equals -1/2. Which, as you can imagine, would be very challenging to come up with in your head. And so that's why we can use these algebraic steps to lead us to a rather complicated answer.